Hi, I have the September 2018 Look Fantastic Beauty box to show you. And this is their birthday box or their anniversary box. So I'm expecting some kind of sweet chocolate candy in here. And another thing is that there is a code, 20% discount code for the Beauty Advent Calendar. I will be sharing it in the description box below if you haven't seen it already. Here is a Look Fantastic Beauty Advent Calendar spoilers. I'll also link that in the description box below, so you can click that after this video is done or, by the time you want to use the code. Now, let's open this. For those who came in late, Look Fantastic ships worldwide. One box costs £15 a month. And if you are on a longer term subscription, the boxes cost less. So I pay £11.25 per box or so because I'm on a long-term subscription. Oh my, this design is so pretty. Unicorn theme, look at that. So let's see what's inside. And here it says, another year older and more fantastic than ever. So the Beauty Box magazine is also, very in keeping with the theme. And here it says, this is the birthday edition, that's the theme. So here it says September. This month we're celebrating the 4th birthday of the Look Fantastic Beauty Box with our special birthday edition. You'll discover that we've gifted you 6 amazing beauty treats this month that are well worth celebrating. In this box, we've got all the tips and tricks you need to get you party ready, plus some amazing birthday extras for you to discover. From interesting cake recipes to a gift guide for those of you struggling to find the perfect present, and an extra treat exclusively for you, let's get ready to party. Ooh. Now, Look Fantastic is primarily skincare and bath and body centric rather than, makeup centric. So I don't really expect much by way of makeup. But then being a skincare junkie who uses up way more skincare and way more bath and body products than I finish up makeup, I'm, all right with that. Now, here you have the LUK magazine, which will make a nice read over the weekend. The box itself, let's open that and see what we've got. First, a card containing the Advent Calendar code. Now, I've already bought my Advent Calendar and I used a code mystery, which actually gave me 15% off. So, I'm not too asked about it. This is a one-time use code, which means the first person to use this code gets the discount. Sorry about that. If it's unavailable, if the code isn't working for you, it means somebody else has used it already. Now, the code is 6423L-BUL8 hyphen whatever you want to call it, VITZ. Now I'll write that down in the description box below, and it's also here. So that's the code. One of you can use it, the first person, and oh my, here you have a muslin cloth, which means there's an Eve Lom cleanser somewhere. Yes, here it is. To be honest, I'm quite, we've seen this way too many times in beauty boxes and advent calendars. In fairness, the boxes don't decide. The brands have a, huge say in what is featured. So you can't really blame Look Fantastic. It's probably Eve Lom who insists on this. But, same old, same old. Surely Eve Lom has other products that they'd like us to sample rather than this. So I'm not very thrilled about that one. Now, this one I am pleased about. This is the Aromatherapy Associates Bath and Shower Oil. Of late, I've discovered the wonders that are bath and shower oils. Basically, you apply them before your shower or bath, and then they emulsify. It's like a cleansing oil for the body, and it feels amazing. So, very pleased to get this. Beautiful packaging, nice glass bottle there. And then here's another product I'm not very thrilled about. This is the Lord & Berry strobing pencil. Very small little pencil there, strobing, highlighting. Not a fan of pencils, rubbing pencils here isn't my cup of tea. I'm a powder highlighter person. So I'm putting this in the giveaway box. Now, next up we have the Omorovitsa Ultra More Mud Mask. I'll be honest, I've seen spoilers for this box, and there were 3 Omorovitsa projects that were being sent, and this was the one that I wanted because I have a full-size Ultra More Mud Mask, which I got in the Beauty Expert spring curation, so I wanted this particular project because it's a very, very, very good mask, especially if you're acne. Next is another cult project. This is a Philip Kingsley Elasticizer. We've seen this several times in beauty boxes as well as in advent calendars. Huge fan. What it is a pre-wash treatment. I apply it overnight and then shampoo my hair and condition it as usual. Very good at eradicating frizz as well as providing deep conditioning and hydration. So next we have the mane and tail. This is the hand and nail therapy. I didn't even know they had anything apart from shampoo and conditioner. Again, mane and tail is a brand that we've seen several times in the Lookfantastic beauty box, but that's mostly the shampoo and the condition. This is the hand and nail cream, and I'm somebody who's always running out of hand and nail creams, so I will be using this up. Finally, we have Swizzle's Giant Parma Violets, free from artificial colors and suitable for vegetarians and vegans. Delicately perfumed violet sweets. Candy, we've got some kind of peppermints, humbugs, candy in here, which is, according to me, apart from the Bath and Body Oil and the Omorovitsa Ultra More Mud Mask, the most exciting part in this box. So I'm very pleased to try this candy, and despite being on a non-processed sugar-free diet since May because acne, and I've been clear for about 2 months now or 3 months now, despite my diet, I will be trying out 1 or 2 of these before sharing them with friends and family. So I hope I don't get acne with that sugar. So 7 products, including the candy in that box. Last year they had a lolly, and I think I'm more excited about the lolly than, this one. So, to be honest, I'm not very impressed with this month's box. I do love the Omorovitsa Ultra More Mud Mask. Philip Kingsley's Elasticizer is always welcome. And I love bath and shower oils now, so I want to use this one. That is the Aromatherapy Associates bath and shower gel. But apart from that, the Lord and Berry pencil, we've seen that so many times, and Mane and Tail is a brand that, and Eve Lom's cleanser, iconic product, yes, but I think I've got about 50 of those by now in beauty boxes and advent calendars. So I do wish Lookfantastic would send out, different brands in their beauty boxes. There really is no excuse because they have a massive array of brands on their website. So huge choice there, huge range to choose from, lots and lots of different brands, lots of products, and, being sent Eve Lom and Mane and Tail and Lord and Berry over and over and over and over again is something that, I'm not too impressed with. So this box, not very impressive. 7 products, yes, that's all very nice, but, not a fan of getting the same brands over and over. So I do hope that next month's box is more exciting. We do have a spoiler. Let's see what that is. This is a Hava Dead Sea Water Mineral Body Lotion. We haven't seen a Hava in a while, and I'm always happy to get body lotions because I moisturize all over twice a day, so I'm always needing those products. So good. I hope the other products are equally different and from new brands. I see the reason, the whole sort of rationale behind the whole, reason behind beauty boxes or subscribing to them is to try out new brands, ones that you haven't used before, ones that you haven't heard of before, a variety of products. So when you keep receiving the same old products over and over and over, it doesn't really, appeal. So I do hope that one of you, or the first of you, is able to use the Advent Calendar code. I would appreciate if whoever does use it sends me a message of some sort or alerts me or leaves a comment so that, other people wouldn't try and then, be disappointed. That's a request that I have to make. It will keep everybody else from being disappointed with the code. So that's the Advent Calendar code. I do have spoilers of the Advent Calendar, which I link up in the description box below. Lots of Advent Calendars are available now. More are coming up in October. Here is my video on more than 40 different beauty Advent Calendars that are available this year. I've also got an updated blog post linked below with availability, prices, spoilers, and all other details that you want to know about pretty much every single advent calendar that's out there now, with about 2 exceptions, I think. Do stay tuned for my advent calendar unboxings come mid-October or so. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up and please do hit the subscribe button and the notifications bell, and I'll speak to you soon.